Have you ever wondered how creators turn massive, hours-long live streams into viral social clips without spending all night editing? The secret is that they aren't actually hiring a massive team or struggling through manual cuts anymore. They are using Vizard. Instead of burning hours scrubbing through footage, Vizard automatically identifies the best, high-energy moments and instantly turns them into ready-to-post content. Traditional content repurposing is usually a messy headache where you guess what might go viral, but Vizard flips that script entirely. It detects potential viral hooks, suggests multiple variations, and crafts professional-looking edits that are optimized for platforms like TikTok or Reels. I recently took a 40-minute skincare live stream and used the tool to generate a full week's worth of content in just a single afternoon. First, you just upload your long-form video, and the interface instantly analyzes the entire file to find the emotional peaks and high engagement bits. You can filter by specific elements like laughter, applause, or even slow, clear speech, making sure you capture the most impactful parts of the conversation. The real magic happens with the auto-editing feature, where you select a specific vibe, like a quick hook or a testimonial style. The algorithm then scans for those classic scroll-stopping phrases and spits out a stack of vertical clips, already cropped and ready for your feed. What I love is that you aren't forced into their choices, as you can easily trim extra seconds or reorder clips to fit your unique style perfectly. We all know that half of social media viewers watch without sound, so Vizard makes adding and styling captions incredibly simple and fast. You can even use dynamic caption effects where words animate as they are spoken, which is a proven way to keep viewers engaged for longer. If you ever feel like your hook is a little weak, the AI-powered rewriter suggests trending alternatives that sound much more urgent and clickable. I often ask the tool to generate several versions of the same clip, such as a 15-second fast-paced hook and a longer, more detailed tutorial. This lets me run A/B tests to see exactly which length and framing resonates best with my specific audience before I commit to a final post. While you can export to external editors for heavy-duty work, the built-in tools for color correction and sound normalization usually get the job done. Consistency is the biggest challenge for any creator, so the auto-scheduler is a complete game-changer for keeping your feed active. You simply set your posting frequency and the system automatically staggers your content at optimal times, so you never have to guess when to hit publish. For those managing a team or working as an agency, the collaborative features allow for seamless handoffs and easy feedback loops. Ultimately, Vizard gives you the power to test hooks, prove concepts, and build a massive library of content without the usual burnout. If you want to stop editing by hand and start letting AI do the heavy lifting, check out the link in the description to try it yourself. Spend just 1 hour with your old long-form videos and you will walk away with a full week of content ready to test and grow your brand. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the clips you create.